All right, hello everyone, and welcome back to the daily update on the 1000 days challenge. This is day 148. So as you can see, the balance has actually increased a little bit, and that's due to the experimental trades that have a new kind of setting and setup. So that's actually a combination of both the price action and also on the technical setup that I'm actually reviewing as well. So yeah, there's a small little change on that. All right, in terms of the weekly updates, today is Saturday. You'll notice the market structure remains relatively the same for most market except for ASHR, which actually is similar to KWEB, transited to somewhat like a neutral or consolidation kind of pattern. So yeah, over here you will see on the weekly chart, the reason why I say is somewhat like a neutral, which is basically got this high with a lower high and a low with a higher low over here. So technically we could have some sort of like a retracement to form a bearish market structure next week, or we could have somewhat like a consolidation pattern that's forming along the way. All right, and that's basically in terms of the weekly update itself. And then in terms of the daily update itself, if you compare from yesterday to today, the main change is actually only for Bitcoin itself, which transited from a neutral to a bullish market structure. So as you can see, Bitcoin has once again broke to an even new all-time high. So there's something to bear in mind. In terms of weekly wise, we seem to be highly overextended. So if there is a somewhat like a pullback, the potential for a pullback is definitely going to be high. But otherwise, overall, I'm still highly bullish in terms of Bitcoin wise. Yeah, as mentioned yesterday, you can see there was a very nice consolidation pattern with a lower high and higher low, so forming over here. So when I did say that if it does break over the new high, which is at the 24K region, then I'll enter the long setup, in which case I am. So currently right now, I'm in this kind of long setup entry as of this moment, and that was entered based on this 4-hour chart itself. Yeah, exact entry, if I'm not wrong, I entered somewhere a little bit late. I think even towards the 24.7K region. So I'm close to a little bit late on that, but otherwise my stop loss is also a little bit lower, using this 50 simple moving average as the guideline for trailing stop loss. So otherwise, that's more or less about it. You can see I enter a breakout upon this region, and you can use a trailing stop loss at this 50 simple moving average. So otherwise, yep, that's more or less about it for this today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.